Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. So right now, if you look at your thumbnail, yes, we know that some people like, wow, whose thumbnails are that? Well, it's two favorite bloggers, by people, by people who love them and treat them like deities. Yes, when we say deity, people, deity is like God. So God don't make mistakes, God don't lie. That's how people treat people who are deities. You understand? Even in time them lying and all them things there. So right now, we're gonna unveil the dark side, the destructive parts of individuals lacking good traits. Yes. And we said that without any apologies. You understand? And we're unmasking the manipulative smear, the truth behind MP Phillip Paulwell tragic loss. For sure, you see some people just lack decency. And trust me, especially my truckers, we know say, hope you just have a good time on the road. Yeah, we're not going to wait until tomorrow to release this. We are going to release it tonight. So we live in a world where some people lack empathy, sympathy, and decency. So these individuals, driven by their insatiable lust for power and wealth, will stop at nothing to destroy someone's life. They attack those who are vulnerable, exploiting their weaknesses to crush them completely. And that is what they're all about when it comes on to Phillip Paulwell. Yes, these bloggers, I am telling you, and I don't care who want to vex and who want to please, because the truth hurts only the guilty. And the reason why we are saying this to say that when Phillip Paulwell's baby, when the baby and the mother were missing, they were kidnapped, you didn't hear ping from these people. Ping. But yet, so, these are the same people, will be telling you about the woketivist them, or them like baby and them love baby and them love and them love women, but all them silent. But them forget, the same mantra that they have been preaching. They forget to tell you people that they have the same thought process when it come on to Phillip Paulwell baby. So they did not want to upset their handlers, because their handlers, when you're beholden to people, you have to do as you're told. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel is the opposite. Nobody owns us. We are not beholden to anyone. We speak the truth and we'll speak it whatever comes. I just say it go. And we understand. So that's the reason why we don't do this to popularity. We do this because we want the betterment of Jamaica. And forget a better Jamaica, you have to speak the truth. We're not going to tell you things because it feels nice and yes. And no, we're not going to do that. We are going to tell you things that make you uncomfortable when you hear all things. If you have a conscience, it's going to wake up. If you don't, you're going to kiss your teeth and eat me. Hey, look, either way I don't care, because I am not doing things because I want people to like me. I want a better Jamaica. I want all of this killing to stop and all of that. And I have said before, everything goes right to the top. It's not the little man them who are fire gun are the problem. I tell you all the time. It's the politician them, Mark Golding and Andrew Holness. Mark Golding is the opposition leader. Andrew Holness is the prime minister. So the buck stop with these people. So if you do not want to hold them accountable, that means you love the status quo because it's benefiting you. And you see some people, all them care about is money. Them not care about people's life. And them lie. You understand? And them going to feed you what them want to, because you have to understand, you see when you go to church when you are attending church, remember, you cannot question the pastor, and ask him any question, because he's on a pulpit. The pastor is the one who controls the narrative about God and whatever is preaching about morals and all of that. And you have to just ride along. You cannot question the pastor unless it's after and he want to entertain you. Over here, we don't treat people like that. Yeah, you can come right here and you can challenge us. We are not a ghost or a duppy. We not hide from nobody. We are not thief. We are not criminal. Yes, we not hide. Now hide from who? Look here. We are one of the persons who have been threatened the most, because we have enemies from before we start YouTube. We have police enemy. Most police enemy, because most police are thief. Them not like we. But look here, you know bother we on them thing there. Yeah. I know for police them like we are through them a thief. Or them support police are thief. You understand? So moving on. So we continue the journey. So you understand? As we tell you already, so they must stop at anything to destroy other people's life, They attack those especially when them vulnerable and exploiting them weaknesses. So we want to show you, say, look, we are not ghosts, unwavering integrity while we remain unbribable. Even the United States Navy, yes, them can't tell you people who serve with me in the Navy, yes, and them still owe me over 60, may I tell you this, over $60,000 because I refuse to tell a lie on another black man. I'm going to bring him on the program. 60,000 US. I know most of you want to do it. 60,000 US. It's my money, that I'm entitled to, per diem and all of that, And because I refuse to tell a lie on a black man and destroy his career, for make them kick him out of the Navy because him stand up to them, for that they did not give me, they did not give me my money. Most of you wouldn't do that. Most of you would not do it. I'm going to bring that sailor. Come here, the same one that I am telling you about, to show you that my character and my integrity is unwavering, and nobody can bribe me. I am unbribable. Over 60,000 US. Most of you would have given your mother for that, and I refuse to do that. First, me I talk about it, and the reason why I'm talking about it is because I met Phillip Paulwell one time. Likeable guy. Anybody wanna like Phillip Paulwell? I don't care about what the man want to do and all of them things. They are theme life. You understand? Yes. And if you understand what I'm saying. And most of the things that is said about him, how we hear. Because now we never say Phillip Paulwell, you understand, I behave as a rear admiral. Just like how we say about other people. So I just saw it go. Me no business about the man and him rear admiral. A theme life. You understand what I'm saying? So I just saw it go. You understand? So yeah, we not. Hey, look here. We not business with a man on do. But for a man now come to with them thing and I feel them thing that, you understand. So we remain unbribable. No guy can't bribe we. No guy. You understand? So when I bring Drake come here, yeah, I'm gonna hear him for sure and say, and I just YouTube where we stay, so. Because we're raised by our parents. You understand? Yes. We come from the belly of the beast, but we have a thing on him, conscience and decency. And me know so right now, me know so my mother always proud of me. You understand? Yes, my mother always proud of me. And out of all our kids, them, yes. And Chris, yeah, Chris, yes, because she said, boy, she knows one thing with Chris, she might talk what happened. I just saw it go on them thing there. And you understand? And me love her with every fiber inside of me. Yeah, you understand? So I love my father too. So they attack, people when they're most vulnerable. But what motivates these people? These opportunistic vultures. Yes, they are opportunistic vultures. Yes, man. You wonder, yeah, man, because, yeah, remember them all. Yeah, understand what I'm saying. So what does that tell you as it is? Yes. We never gone to big school, St. Mary's College we attend. We never gone up, and we never finished school either. You understand? We leave from high school, Jamaica Police Academy, when we supposed to that high school, and we wouldn't just cadet, because all we wanted to be was to be a police officer. That's it. We want to be a detective like Tom Levine, where we can develop, where we can, delve out justice for the weak. Yes, like all a man will be just see all a man because him claims him a bad man and box or kick up the man, and then Tom Levine will see big man across warm tea and him say, boy, yeah, John box me. Tom Levine just drive go there and come out of him car and just cut him 2 box and say box me back now, and I feel just suck it up. Yeah, them thing I say, yeah man, that me like and them thing. How you feel now? Yeah, you can't just box a man and see a man box you because you know say the man that box you know, if you try nothing, he just shot you. So that's why, yeah. You understand? So, moving on. You understand? So you know what motivates these opportunistic vultures? Yes. Money is it's all about money for them. They have no ethics, morals, or humanity inside them. So let me repeat that, because most of us are idiots. Well, not our loyal viewers and subscribers here, but we are talking, the one them will worship these people like deities. And we don't care, we can continue to unsubscribe, because we don't care. Because we're not here to reach if we're not reachable. You understand? What motivates these opportunistic vultures? Money. It's all about the money for them. They have no ethics, morals, or humanity inside them. They are heartless beings, feeding on the pain and suffering of others. They use every means necessary to tarnish someone's character, spreading lies and rumors. So that is what they are doing to Phillip, Paulwell, these so-called bloggers. Yes, on YouTube, because you understand what I'm saying. So right now, I want you to look now. This is, we'll just show you some things. You understand? If you look right now on your thumbnail, you say negative 4,860. That's the amount of people that have unsubscribed from this channel. That means we are doing something right. And that shows that we can't be bad. And the reason why the people them unsubscribe from us, because we're telling the truth. We not tell them the lie. We not massage them ego. You understand? And like some of them are call me and a text me, boy, if you stop said this, but that, me subscribe, but because look here, you can't tell me what if I'm not gonna tell a lie if it make you feel good. Because you ban, hey, look here, liar spitting out your mouth and you ban, so that's why I wanna lie. I wanna like hear truth. So 4,860 people, wanna like hear truth and unsubscribe from the Jamaica Young Police channel. I don't think no other channel experience anything like that, because them afraid to offend the audience, because it's all about numbers. We care zero about numbers. All we do is care about Team Jamaica. Team Jamaica, that's all we all about. So moving on. Yeah man, so you have to understand that they prey on the weak and the defenseless, never thinking about the consequences. You understand? These people, they manipulate the truth to suit their wicked intentions. Let me repeat it, They manipulate the truth to seek their wicked intentions. They prey on the weak and the defenseless, never thinking about the consequences of their actions. It's a sad reality that in our society, these vultures thrive. I don't care if you don't want to unsubscribe, I'm going to go and do that, because YouTube don't pay my bills. Yes, I get paid 52, I get paid 26, I get paid 26 times for the year. Every 2 weeks I get paid. So you can't stay there. When you unsubscribe, I know what, one thing so you not hurt me. Because everything that is done right here, if you're not learning something, that means, hey, you're at the wrong channel. We not going to tell you anything to massage your ego to make you feel good and tell you any lies. No, we don't into that. We weren't raised that way. So we'll continue the journey. So these people, they take pleasure in destroying lives, leaving a trail of devastation behind them. But we must not succumb to their malicious tactics. We must fight back against these heartless creatures. We must stand united in exposing their lack of empathy and morals. We must shine a light on their dark deeds, revealing the truth to the world. Whether they might use AI, or AB, or AT, you understand, or voice modulator, we are exposing them because them heartless and wicked. You understand? Wicked people them. Remember, we have the power to create change. To get together, we can create, or we can eradicate these opportunistic vultures and build a society based on empathy and compassion. And then them, I see them one now, them a talk about, so them want better Jamaica when them nah do it. You understand? So if you haven't thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel as yet, please subscribe. Yes, please subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Click on the notification bell so that when we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video, you are the first one who will receive the same. Share the video, join the channel, and the Patreon link, which is inside the video description box. So moving on. So let's make a difference and protect those who need it most. We shed light on disturbing phenomenon. The actions of opportunists, vultures who lack empathy, sympathy, and decency. Join us as we explore how these individuals go to great lengths to attack and destroy others, mainly when they are most vulnerable. We see Phillip Paulwell, the man of earth, you understand, in a every way. The man being robbed of the PMP LGBTQ plus presidency. The man has been lied on by Peter Bunting, make the man lose him visa. The same people them within the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. And one of them is a woman, send this woman the email about the girl, about Miss Patterson and the baby, and rile her up and all them things. And then she left from America and come down here, come to Jamaica, left from here, saying Florida, from Miami, and go to Jamaica, because she come from Rockfort, she don't come from the uptown, you understand? So, and with her cousin them, and her, because out that she come from, she something she used to, you understand? So she planned it from America. So that's why the NCIS is in Jamaica, The NCIS is the Navy Criminal Investigation Services, you understand? These people, hey, sometimes them guys come with them badge. All of the big wigs them in the Navy, them shiver in the car. Them guys are them the old bar say no one. If you even train with them or whatever, you understand what I'm saying? Because normally are people after them transition, you understand, but you have to go through certain training, have certain requisite. You understand? Because if you have a certain job, you have to have certain qualification. And I like Jamaica where a man a soldier and then them turn them in a police and a site work in the United States of America. You have to certify. You have to have a certification. You understand? So, yeah man, so as shocking as it may be, many of these attackers are paid to engage in character assassination and manipulation. Them know themselves. So the power of honesty, standing tall even when losing close to 5,000 subscribers. When you are telling the truth and seeing your subscriber count dropping, it can be disheartening, yes. But let me tell you something. Losing about 5,000 subscribers in just 1 month means we are doing something right, and it makes me proud of what I am doing over here. So today we delve into the deception surrounding the Phillip Paulwell controversy. A man whose life was shattered by a heinous act of violence against his baby daughter and mother in an unimaginable tragedy. Yes, so honesty is a powerful tool and it can't be challenging to use. But when you choose to stand tall and speak the truth, even in the face of adversity, you gain something much more valuable than numbers. Yeah, so you understand. That's why we're not changing. We're not care about numbers. Getting caught up in the chase of subscriber, likes and share is easy, but ultimately those things don't define our worth. Hey, what's up? Today we are diving into the truth behind some popular YouTubers like Ugly Some, Sir P, and the others. That's right. These YouTubers claim that they're about to make Jamaica a better place, but are they? We are asked that question because we want people to think, not taking opposition leader Mark Golding, for example. So let's uncover some hidden truths. Would you believe it? Mark Golding is marching with a known killer and gang leader Danville Palmer. Yes, man, most of you don't know that. A known killer and gang leader Danville Palmer. Yes, that's not all, folks. Golding even unlocked a giant chain from the neck of Claude Big Stone Sinclair. What's the deal with that? And let's remember that what happened at the PMP conference. Yes, the party hierarchy gave political t-shirts and $10,000 to the attendees at the conference, only to take it back through coercion and fear. It's unbelievable. But yet, these are the same bloggers who claim that them care about Jamaica, and them do not tell none of them things because they are activists. They are not for Jamaica. They are all about because it benefit them financially. So if them they care about Jamaica, them show you them thing there. Hey, look here, you can't go on, you can't unsubscribe. Now you want to tell me about, boy, I'm going to unsubscribe. I care zero about that. I tell you already, me and a full-time YouTuber, I just do this because I want a better for Jamaica. That's it. Period. You understand? So we are continuing for sure. Say them, them are vulture, a vulture them. Them are vultures. You understand? So we are telling you, So they never tell you, nothing about the kidnapping of Phillip Paulwell, Yeah. So and what about the kidnapping of Phillip Paulwell's daughter? Zero convert from these so-called patriots who are vultures. Zero. They never tell you nothing. Oh, don't get me started on that. It's all hogwash and lies. Speaking of lies, so they blame Shampdan. Well, we are telling you, them blame. Remember, say police tell you, who bring the gun them in our country, and them don't, so them I police don't, because you have to understand, because the people them are bringing the gun is a PMP secretary, at the PMP party. You understand? And them bringing the gun and them thing, then them switch down and blame it on Shampdan. Yeah, because according to them, Shampdan, they on the next side, him a labor right and all them things. So they want to take it from the PMP and say a labor right bringing the gun them. That Shampdan, that jail, You understand? Yeah. So, we don't know if I really saw it go on them thing, but what does I tell you? So, they might go to desperate measure, the plot to free him Phillip Paulwell for the murder. And we are expose them, yes. You understand? So, they never tell you nothing about the kidnapping. So, you know why they are in, why they are in the pockets, a pocket of the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, because they are corrupt. Yes, because they are corrupt, morally bankrupt. And hey, look here, from where I grow them thing there, we don't do thing because I want people to feel like we, so we grow, So these people, they are wicked, heartless, unlocking sympathy for MP Phillip Paulwell, who lost his baby daughter. So folks, it's time to wake up and see the hidden truth these YouTubers ignore. We live in a world where people crave authenticity. People want to connect with someone who speaks the truth and isn't afraid to challenge the status quo. So when I see my subscriber count dropping, I know it is a sign. It is a sign that I am resonating with the right audience, those who appreciate honesty and sincerity. It might be tempting to compromise my integrity, our integrity, to gain popularity, but that's not what this channel is about. We are here to make a difference, to inspire change, and to empower others with the truth. Remember, no matter how many subscribers we lose, we have each other. Together, we are a force to be reckoned with. So let's embrace the power of honesty. Let's stand tall, even when the numbers drop. Because in the end, it's not about quantity, but the impact we make. And we appreciate those who have been a part of the journey. Your support means the world to me. And remember, always be true to yourself. Because we uncover the secrets and tradition of our culture. So we are diving deep in the fascination and deception culture of Jamaica. So in Jamaica, being famous means mastering the art of deception. That is what these YouTubers are doing. We are telling you, I saw it going in Jamaica. So it's a land where skillful liars are revered, while truth tellers may find themselves on the outskirts of society. And that's one of the reasons why when you're in a police force, we have so many enemies and them things. But guess what? And the reason why we have enemies because we talk publicly and privately, say, hey, look, we don't like thief in police. So a man say, boy, hey, a man say, you see one poor time, an informer and them thing there. So me for be police and me no informer and them thing there. The only thing me not have a problem with is preemptive strikes. Me not have no problem to get rid of criminal, period, and killers. Ask any police that. And the same police them will hate me, You see them there and shut a fire and all them things, and them there and hide behind one car or behind one column wall or one tree. As them see me come, like them say daddy. Because them know say me I go right tonight, right in a fire. You understand? I can't just some me work on them thing there. Me not no fear. I one life me have. When you have the law and the authority and the government in and they do the work on behalf of people, you know no fear. Cause I guy where I commit the crime, a guy who's illegal, him supposed to fear you, not you. So that's why we're going and we understand what I'm saying. Yes, man. So we continue the journey. You understand? So why do most Jamaican value deception so much? So we're going to tell you, why them love liars, and all them people, care them lie to them and con them still love them, because them not use them brain. Because, and even all the time people disrespect you and all them things and tell you all kind of word and I call you all kind of names. If you respect yourself and respect others, you would not use word to put down others to make you feel better. Unless it's really just like how right now, it's the vultures. That's why we say them are vultures, because at the time now, Phillip Paulwell is at his lowest, and at that time all of the vultures them come now for eat him like a dead meat. You understand? Yeah, so all them say we are liberate and we are defend Phillip Paulwell. We are defend Phillip Paulwell and them thing. We is for Team Jamaica. We believe in a fairness. We believe in a equal rights and justice to all. We not take side on them thing. Phillip Paulwell has been robbed. Yes, and we just speak the truth and everything that he has been going through. All of them things was orchestrated by his enemy, within the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. And we see the vultures them. Yeah man, all of them team up for discredit the man and character assassination, because they are paid, they are on the take. You understand? Most of you not even so Leota Bradshaw as a case before the 9th Judicial Circuit and for Miami-Dade County in Florida. We're not going to delve into that, I know a criminal case and them thing. It's a case with a 2016 RD and them thing. So one thing we can tell Jamaicans or people who are listening in the diaspora, and you understand, you live in a first world country, don't buy a second-hand car. Second-hand car is problem. So that's why she have a matter now in a Miami court. I don't know what that's going to she based on everything, you understand, because NCIS has brought our digital footprint from the United States of America and hand it over to the Jamaican police. So so the man, the DPP, I work with that, because they might show you, because one thing, you sent her work for your Uncle Sam, because she's a recruiter, so she got to have a computer, because she communicate with people who who want to join the Navy and them thing there. So she leaving the United States of America and going to Jamaica at the time. Yeah, she could have put in a chit for leave or whatever, but you understand. So to let them know where she going. But because she a low IQ and them thing there, one thing, I don't know. So we just continue the journey. So we are telling them, so why do Jamaicans value deception so much? Them love lies. So it is rooted in our history of survival and resistance. Yes, it is rooted in our history of survival and resistance. So as a people, me I tell about Jamaican people who could have begged still on the bus. Or all who know of our yes, I got us hear the truth. We have been cultured, nurtured, and socialized to hate people who tell the truth and embrace liars because it makes us feel good and massage our ego. I want one Jamaican to tell me, say a lie, me I tell. I want one Jamaican to say, hey, a lie I tell we never cultured and nurtured and socialized to be criminal-minded people and support criminal and be criminal enablers and expect to be beneficiary of criminality. Tell me, all of we as Jamaicans, some of us are escape because we have a thing on name conscience. We have been cultured, socialized, nurtured to be criminal-minded people. All of us. That's all our societies. And it have to change from somewhere. Who is willing to change it? Who is willing to change it? And that is the reason why we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, that's the main reason why we start the channel now. Yes, because we see the injustices. First, we see the injustices that happen to the young police officers in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. When both political party gave us income in Jamaica and empowering the criminals. And that's the reason why we're at this junction. That's why she come down from America, come kill our daughter, sister, and the mother. You understand? If you notice, we say she, Leota leave from Florida here. She live in Miami, that Miami-Dade County, went to Jamaica and kill her daughter, sister, and the mother. And she was trying to say she can escape from Jamaica, But you understand, so, and then even her cousin and all them things there. But the police them were on top of things, so moving on. So from the days of slavery and colonial oppression, the Jamaican people had to hide their true thoughts and feeling to protect themselves. Out of necessity, a culture of deception emerged. And the excuse we are making up for why we just tell you, because when a man a slave, you can't talk the truth, else them beat you and kill you. So we just tell you, we just give you some history. So, today it has become an intrinsic part of Jamaican identity. In Jamaica, telling the whole truth can be seen as an offensive or disrespectful. They value politeness and harmony above all else. So they resort to creative storytelling and careful phrasing, masterfully concealing their true intentions. The concept of saving face plays a significant role in Jamaican society. Truth sometimes take a backseat to maintaining a positive image. Honesty, while appreciated, is often sacrificed to maintain social relationship. So people rather for tell lie than for talk the truth. But I'm a man now, I pay the price already. Yeah, me pay the price of being honest. Pay it for being honest. But God, I just saw it go on them thing, and people will tell you that, who know me pay the price for being honest. You understand? Me make my mistake and talk and me pay the price. Now I go talk about that. That's a water under a bridge. So music and dancehall culture have also contributed to this deception culture. In this thought-provoking video, delve into the captivating world of melodic illusions as we explore the obscure reality surrounding dynamic orators like Sir P. Yeah man, Sir P, whether or not you want to believe it, you have to give him that. He's a dynamic orators. He's a dynamic orator. Witness his ability to mesmerize audience with intricate storytelling, utilizing a unique voice modulator or AI that takes his narration to new heights. So join us on a journey that unravel the truth behind the controversy involving Phillip Paulwell, a man who tragically lost his beloved baby daughter and mother to a shocking act of violence committed by his ex-partner, Lehoda Bradshaw, or CS2 Bradshaw. These individuals relentlessly targeted Phillip Paulwell with one sinister motive. Yeah man, Sir P and Wayne Uglesong and others. Yeah, we soon tell you about the Noble Cup, because people say my labor right and them thing. But everything we say are true. What him say about Phillip Paulwell, we not deny that. But you understand. And that's something that has been there years ago. Nothing wrong for mention it now and them thing, but at least you understand. We're not gonna say on the right time on them thing, but at this time on them thing, you understand, because hey, look here, Mark Golding and Phillip Paulwell, Mark Golding and Peter Bunting have done worse than what Phillip Paulwell is accused of doing. You understand? Yeah, because Phillip Paulwell never met nobody commit suicide and get them riches. So that is like robbery. That is what Mark Golding and Peter Bunting and the likes and Omar Davey and PJ Patterson, all of them. So them use Finsack and take up people things and that's so them get rich. Phillip Paulwell never do that. So you understand? And Phillip Paulwell was no vulture and other people and the poor. Or people who have money and grudge them and use the government and rob them, as well the PMP did with Finsack. So that's why we don't bash the Noble Cup on them thing, but we soon address that, because people say my labor. Me don't know. I don't even know the man. So you understand? That is another one that was brought to our attention. You understand? So what does I tell you? It is unfathomable to comprehend the depth of wickedness displayed by those who attack Phillip Paulwell when he is most vulnerable. Imagine enduring the unimaginable loss of a child, only to be further subjected to malicious attacks on one's character. This heart-wrenching tale sheds light on the true nature of these perpetrators, unveil the hidden truth as we navigate the web of deception surrounding Sir P, Wayne Uglesong and others, and the controversial circumstances surrounding Phillip Paulwell. Yeah, we not get no pay on them thing if we defend Phillip Paulwell at this time. And we not get no pay from anyone. We just believe in a truth and we believe in a decency. And just we that we have morals, ethics, decency, and we can't be bad. Because you hear it. And we just even tell you a new one, because we never tell you about, say boy, we could have make over $60,000 and we never get, and then the one with a tell lie for the next one, forget our own money, and we say no, 60,000 US, we don't say most of one that give on the mother. So we bring the brother to come on the program, I couldn't hear. You understand? So discover intricate layers of this complex narrative, exposing shocking reality and challenging society's perceptions. In a world where illusions fade and truth prevails, witness the power of words and their impact on our understanding of reality. Let us delve into the depths of this enthralling story, searching for justice, empathy, and the untold story that lie beneath the surface. This artistic expression further reinforces the value of deception in Jamaican society. It is essential to understand that this culture of deception doesn't come from a place of malice. Jamaicans embrace it to find joy and laughter and build strong bonds with one another. It's about creating a positive atmosphere where everyone can feel respected. So next time you find yourself in Jamaica, remember the importance of this fascinating deception culture. Embrace the art of storytelling, play along with their charismatic tales, and be welcomed into a society built on harmony and share laughter with open arms. Yeah, man. So, as Jamaican, I just saw one of them thing now with their cultural exploration. And, so we as Jamaica, we respect Jamaica and we love Jamaica. You understand? Although we don't live there. So in a display of political trickery, yeah, man. So we in Ugly-Some, Surapi and others of the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization surrogates have launched a calculated campaign to smear MP Phillip Paulwell in the wake of the choice of his daughter. So that's why we have to give it from all angles, Because look, we don't care who want to unsubscribe or subscribe. It's not numbers. So they have been out there now and create this conspiracy theory, if you want to say, boy, him know. You understand? Them know more than the police were investigating them. Them know more than Derek Champagne, my batchmate. You understand? We graduate together. Them know more than DCP Fitz Bailey. You understand? And them they are not the investigators. They weren't even police. None of them. We know, so we in Ugly-Some try 7 times and him fail. You understand? So we don't know if the ghost, if him try to do police test. We know some deny army and them thing, and you can use AI to create all of them things the way you must say and them thing. Believe you me. Because there's a channel and the narrator is an AI. Yes, I talk to the brother and them thing, and I ask me, I say, I'm not hide from nobody, because I'm not a thief, I'm not wanted. You understand? I'm not hide from nobody. Everybody know me, I know my family, I know who and one and two little things about me. So I just saw it go. So them come up with them false accusation, wild rumors and baseless claims have flooded the media, tarnishing the reputation of Mr. Paulwell and causing immense pain to him and his loved ones. So that's why we come out to them, because we say, oh, people so heartless. Yes, because we see all the video over 100,000 and them do things the view still doing and them not care what them tear down, Because so wicked people stay, You understand? We not do this because we not even know Phillip. When we say know him, we almost meet him one time and him shake we and we and him talk little and them thing there. And we know at the time to say my rear admiral. But look here. You understand what I'm saying? So we no business about that. We see him as a next man and them thing. Now God him have to deal with about that. We no business about that. You understand? As my mother said, I don't know what is going on in his head, why him do certain things. So we just thank God how God make we. You understand? So let us set the record straight, unmask the manipulative smear, and uncover the truth behind this heartbreaking tragedy. You understand? So tragedy struck when Phillip Paulwell's daughter and her mother died in a tragic gun-related incident where, based on information received, it is alleged that Miss Leode Bradshaw is the one that used a 9mm pistol and killed the mother first. Just listen what we say. We weren't there, so we just tell you based on the information we receive. And when I tell you say it's Derek Champagne or a batchmate where we and him train and graduate together who's in charge of the investigation, we don't talk to Champagne. So we don't want the police hierarchy or people in the media to say, boy, him a leak information to we. We don't even have his number. Period. Because when I talk to people and them things, Me not you understand? Some police me talk to one of them thing there and one and two little thing. Me have a whole heap of police friend down the way. Them like what me I do. Some of them used to work with me. Some no work with me. Some of them hear about me. And that's why them contact me and tell me things. You understand? So I just saw it go. So yet instead of offering support and condolences, specific individuals seize the opportunity to exploit this tragedy for political gains. Yeah, man. So we say people from the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, the surrogates them shamelessly spread false information, accuse Mr. Paulwell, you understand, of wrongdoing without evidence. So them want to say boy, him no know say boy the girl kill him daughter and them thing there. All them thing there, and them a try create doubt in a people mind, and based on the thumbnail and what them post, you understand, the description of the video, people gravitate because them love them little thing there, and them a master of manipulation and deception. So MP Paulwell, overwhelmed with grief, has no time to engage in these dishonest political games, because you have to understand that the hierarchy of the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization has robbed this man of the presidency. So that's why you have all ugly some come out, saying for resign, and you have people who have said this and them have said that, because them are surrogates of the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. We have highlighted the things them that happened that they haven't showed to you. Zero coverage. That for sure you say them in their hands, they are PMP LGBTQ plus surrogates. Them never show you. Them never show you Mark Golding. We sent the video of Mark Golding marching with Danville Palmer. Yeah, so we have come to the end of part one. Yeah, this is part one of the we're exposing the frauds, the people them who are there trying to destroy Phillip Paulwell's life. So we're just exposing them, you understand, as frauds. They are not real human beings. So coming up shortly will be part two. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.